Hi everyone. So you're a professional in your industry and you require professional tools and consumables. Sometimes even something as simple as masking tape. That's why the Worth masking tape ticks all the boxes. Firstly, this is known as an 80-degree masking tape. Quite different from the ones we see at our local hardware stores, which has got like a pale white color to it, which is known as a 60-degree masking tape. It is absolutely not recommended for spray paint. Then the Worth masking tape adheres to almost any surface, glass, wood, steel, etc. Secondly, this masking tape will not leave a residue. Even if it's been left in the sun for days on end, it will not leave a residue on your surface. Then also, it does not bleed. We've all masked off a certain area and then painted over, and it looks like the paint almost penetrated the masking tape. So that's called bleeding, and the Worth masking tape will not bleed. And then last but not least, it's available in all the different sizes: 18 millimeters, 24 millimeters, 36 and 48 millimeters.